Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Our favorite XR glasses just received a rare $170 discount during Amazon's Big Spring Sale. Amazon's Big Spring Sale offers a rare $170 discount on XR-EAL1 Pro AR glasses, which are considered the best XR glasses available. The device functions as a portable 200-inch monitor with compatibility across laptops, smartphones, and gaming consoles. The sale ends on March 31st. Intel jumps on board Elon Musk's Terafab chipmaking project. Intel has joined Elon Musk's Terafab project alongside SpaceX and Tesla to help refactor silicon fab technology. The collaboration aims to produce 1 TWh of compute power. Following the announcement, Intel's stock price increased by 2, as reported by Reuters. You can now buy a DIY quantum computer. Barcelona-based Qilimanjaro has introduced a DIY quantum computing kit called EduQit, allowing customers to assemble their own quantum computer. The kit includes a chip made from tiny superconducting circuits and a special refrigerator for the chip, as well as electronic devices for controlling and reading results. Though the assembly process may take up to 10 months, Qilimanjaro provides training and support throughout the building process. How physicists found a new type of magnet hiding in plain sight. Physicist Jiruo Lee discovered a new type of magnetism within nickel bromide while working on a device for faster and more energy-efficient data storage. The compound, a sibling to the P-wave magnetism displaying nickel iodide, is part of an MIT research effort aimed at improving data center efficiency amidst growing power demands due to AI advancements. CoreWeave's CEO says being nerdy helped it pivot from crypto into a $43 billion AI company. CoreWeave's CEO credits being nerdy for helping the company pivot from crypto mining to become a $43 billion AI firm. Founder Michael Intrater says their early days in crypto provided an understanding of using GPUs, which are now powering the AI boom. After weathering multiple downturns, including the 2018 Bitcoin crash, CoreWeave began looking for other use cases and found success in providing large-scale GPU capacity to AI companies and cloud providers. Breakthrough computer chip tech could help meet monumental demand driven by AI. A new computer chip technology that uses giant mirrors to create tiny transistors and circuits has set a record by making structures just 8 nanometers wide on a silicon wafer. The system could produce chips with 2.9 times more transistors than those made using the previous generation of light sources for this purpose, potentially helping meet the monumental demand driven by AI. Google issues new warning about the quantum computing security apocalypse. Google has issued a warning about the security risks of quantum computing, moving the estimated date for Q-Day to 2029. This day is when a powerful quantum computer could potentially break all cryptographic security, leading to widespread hacking and identity theft. The transition to post-quantum cryptography, PQC, has been accelerated due to recent advancements in quantum computing technology. The Tim Cook era, Apple's most important products from 2016 today. Macworld examines Apple's most significant product launches since 2016, including the iPhone X, AirPods, Apple Watch Series 4, M1 chip, and Vision Pro. These innovations transformed smartphone design, wireless audio, health monitoring, Mac performance, and introduced spatial computing to Apple's ecosystem. Key breakthroughs include Face ID technology, popularization of wireless earbuds, advanced health sensors, Intel to Apple Silicon transition, and the $3,499 Vision Pro headset. AI quota inflation is no token effort. It's baked in. The commercial use of LLMs relies heavily on tokens as the billable metric for usage. As more features are AID and subscription accounting is updated, token incremental burn syndrome (TIBS) becomes increasingly common. Tokens represent units of meaning and modification that are fed to LLMs and converted into output. The whole commercial structure of AI rests upon this concept. 10 power players behind the data center debt boom. Data center debt financing has seen an increase due to the surge in demand for AI infrastructure development, with Wall Street witnessing one of its largest financing booms in decades. Capitalizing on this trend are key players from firms like Goldman Sachs, Apollo, JP Morgan, and KKR, who have been instrumental in financing these projects through various financial mechanisms such as corporate bond markets, securitized debt, and syndicated loans. Their expertise spans power, infrastructure, real estate, and technology sectors. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.